Markets hold on to early gains despite tariff whiplash. It was a short week with markets closed on Monday, but markets rebound almost 2% on consumer strength and mixed tariff news. So let's quickly recap. Over the weekend, the White House flip-flopped again and delayed the 50% EU tariffs to July. With both the US and EU at least saying they're ready to make a deal, markets spiked to start the week up 2%. Tuesday was also bolstered by strong May consumer confidence data, rebounding 14% from April. However, it was a little more mixed from there. Markets reversed on Wednesday after May meeting minutes revealed the Fed wasn't in a rush to lower rates. And then the news bombshell. On Wednesday evening, a federal trade court struck down the reciprocal US tariffs. Global markets and US futures surged overnight and opened solidly green in the morning. However, midday, an appeals court paused the trade court's decision pending further review. Thursday pulled back from earlier gains but still ended higher. Finally, Friday. The US-China tariffs agreement appears to be unraveling. Multiple White House officials have noted that talks have stalled. This potentially leads to no deal at the end of the 90-day tariffs pause. Markets were sharply lower by midday, but recovered to end essentially flat. Friday also saw consumer sentiment echoing the consumer confidence data, with a rebound reversing the mid-month decline. So what's next? Well, that was a big week of tariff news. Despite nothing really changing policy-wise, the tariff situation, though, has definitely changed. We see a new focus on tariffs in court, other countries likely pushing back more negotiations, and the China tariffs pause may potentially be in jeopardy. We could see the White House reinstating tariffs to pressure China, but that may also be followed by another taco pause again. On the macro front, the consumer confidence data was a solid rebound from several months of pulling back. Next week, we'll get the jobs report for a look into the health of the labor market. Another news-packed week is likely ahead.